There once was a ship that put to sea, and the name of the ship was the Hibachi. The winds blew hard, her bow dipped down, oh blow me belly boys blow. Soon may the wellermen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. She hadn't been 2 weeks from shore when down on her a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the wellermen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Lie da da lie da 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 lie da 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 lie da da lie da da lie da 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 lie da lie da lie. Before the boat had hit the water, the whale's tail came up and caught her. All hands to the side harpooned and fought her when she dived down low. Soon may the wellermen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. For 40 days or even more, the line went slack, then tight once more. All boats were lost, there are only 4 that still left.
So this is the way to the gates area. Like this area. Not real far, not like Petoskey or Sheboygan.
Take the next left onto West 6 Mile Road.
Away we go. $33 each. There's 2 more behind us.
Okay. There you go, you're all set.
Best seats are probably front or back.
Really?
I think.
So maybe they're not back to back. We're facing the...
Since the front's all full, we should probably sit in the back. Because then you can see more around. They went on that side. Got lots of choices.
On our left now, coming up, you're going to see the Ontario Firefighting Bush Plane Museum. The Overland building was built in 1902 and it cost $6 million. It's a quarter of a mile long, making it the longest horizontal power plant in the world. The 74 turbines in there are being fed by a power canal that runs through the city for 2.25 miles and then drops 19 feet through the building to make the turbines go, and that can make up to 40 megawatts of electric power. The building was made out of that sandstone.
Here in the Soo Locks tour.
And when it was the picture of it, that you may have noticed there are the pylons on the side of the building which are shaped like lighthouses. Many of the stone masons who helped to build the plant were Italian immigrants known for their fine stone masonry work. They needed 300 to 500 people, believe it or not, to build this thing. They were looking for many workers. You'll notice fishing boats tied to this side of the building. The current from the discharge of the power canal attracts many fish to the area. And the water never freezes in the winter, so bald eagles know this is a good place to come and fish in the winter time. Atlantic salmon, which the kids plant here, are really big. They're really spectacular.
Fishing.
So here's your evidence that this is in fact a working plant. You can hear those turbines in there. The whole upstairs of that building is pretty much empty now that carbide is gone. The Brimley and Harbor Tugs are owned by Great Lakes Towing Company and are used to assist ocean-going vessels as they enter the American locks. That white and blue vessel, largest white and blue vessel, is the Drummond Islander 2. And she was put into mothballs after the war was done. They didn't need her at that time. There's no charge for any vessel to use the locks, no matter how big they are, what they're carrying, and where they are from. And they are open 7 days a week, 24 hours a day from March 25th to January 15th. The main reason the locks are here is not because of the drop in levels. There's only 21-foot difference between the Lake Superior level and the Lake Huron level. It's mainly because there's a wall of red sandstone that comes through here. It comes quite close to the surface. It keeps Lake Superior in at just 21 feet above Lake Huron. So they have to move that when they want to be able to build a lock. And the reason they need a lock is because the ships can't get over the waterfall here. In order to move them around before they had a lock, it would take up to 3 months to move the ships on rollers around the rapids. So by now by using a lock, they can do it in about 20 minutes.
Hello, Canada. Canada on the other side.
Canada
This is Sault Ste. Marie also. Sault Ste. Marie, Canada.
There's the Ojibwe coming out to put something on board them.
It's Canada, Sault Ste. Marie, and then Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan on the other side. That's the bridge there connecting to Canada.
To help her steer us those seats. And I'm a little surprised she's not using it now to push herself off that wall, but she is.
That's a drone.
Close the gates and the valves behind the two of us. When the water is the same height on both sides of the gate, we can open it and we'll go out onto the other gate.
It's just the part that doesn't allow dogs.
The main gate office. Right under the window there's a poster, but there's a young man.
Lower side, this is St. Mary's River side.
Flag on the right.
21 feet lower than Lake Superior.
We missed the big ship.
Wondering how you got that up there.
During the navigation season, about 100 million tons of freight operation from late March until the middle of January. At Soo Locks has a workforce of about 120 people they can make it on their own ships. The location project, the sailing vessel Columbia, carrying 132 tons of iron ore, was the first cargo transfers. So we figure it's about a week from where those vessels are. So you can see the water coming in from beneath us. There's rapid circles on the water that's coming in from way underneath there.
Oh, you pull double duty.
We do a lot of multitasking. Thank goodness they got him to throw the line for me, because I'm terrible at that. They don't want me handling money, I can tell you that right now.
It's a long script.
Yeah, I've been doing it for 16 years, so I've got most of it memorized. We've done most of what there is to do. Make it up. I don't think we're going to get as far as the steel mill. We'll talk about it a little bit.
Yeah, we were here about 9 years ago for this tour, so.
Well, I was too. You may have been on my boat.
It might have been.
Now, John has been here for 40-some years. He started right out of high school.
Wow.
And he's still at it. Well, he certainly has seniority here by a long stretch.
If you look off to the right, way off there past the single hump on the bridge, and their annual payroll and purchases are 1.2. You get transferred on their 4,000 foot out every year. Going on up here on the new, for the new walls. We're actually making concrete right up in the woods with 40%.
Swim today.
Yes, I remember that spot. Such a shame it was closed.
Green in 10 minutes, and then we'll be back down.
How many hoops they have to jump through there. Thank you so much. See you one more.
She said that drone is belongs to the Army Corps of Engineers. Film this is the dog kennel, or if you have a dog. Got the rock pretty well memorized.
More hotter in the left.
So colorful.
Soon may the weathermen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. For 40 days or even more, the line went slack, then tight once more. All boats were lost, there only 4, but still that whale did go. Soon may the weathermen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Soon may the wellermen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go.